Joe Drake here with your Axiom move of the week, and we're going to do a banded reverse crunch. So right now I'm using the NT loop because it's a little bit more comfortable, but you could get this set up with a super band as well, wrapped around an anchor. But what we're going to do is we're going to start out on our back. All right, and our main goal here really is to try to keep our low back, that lumbar spine, pushed into the ground. So before you even go into the exercise, focus on pushing that low back down initially, and then we're just going to create some additional tension. And that's really what the band is for, is just to engage the lats. You can do it with the elbows tight to the body or straight out in front. And we're going to start out with knees bent and just roll that low back up off the ground. Nice and slow, one vertebra at a time back down. If you need an additional challenge, you can extend one or you can extend both legs. But the goal is still to keep that low back tight to the ground. So whatever version of that leg position is right for you, give that a try and let us know what you think.